We'll guide you through how to make Sword Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create custom vector illustrations directly in Figma. Designers, beginners, or UI creators often need simple icons or graphics, such as a sword, for games, interfaces, or creative projects. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to create the sword design. Select Rectangle from the Shape tool on the toolbar. Draw a shape on the canvas similar to the one shown in the video. This initial shape will become the base of the sword blade. Double-click on the shape to enter vector editing mode. Adjust the shape so it resembles a sword blade by modifying the sides, corners, and curves as shown in the video. To create curved edges, use the mirror angle and length option while adjusting the vector handles so both sides of the blade remain symmetrical. After finishing the main blade shape, duplicate the object and adjust the duplicated shape according to the example shown in the video. The duplicated shape can be used to create highlights or additional blade details. Change the blade color according to your preference, for example similar to the color shown in the video. Next, select Rectangle again from the toolbar. Draw the sword handle shape similar to the example shown in the video. Double-click on the handle shape to enter vector editing mode. Then adjust the shape according to your design needs so the handle appears proportional to the blade. Change the handle color according to your preference so it contrasts with the blade color. After completing the handle, select Ellipse from the toolbar. Draw a circular shape similar to the example shown in the video and adjust its position and layout if necessary. Change the color of the ellipse according to your design preference. Then select Rectangle again from the toolbar and draw another shape similar to the example shown in the video. Adjust the layout and alignment if necessary so the new shape fits properly with the existing parts of the sword. Change the color of this shape according to your preference. Review the sword design that you have created and make adjustments if needed to ensure the shape, color, and alignment appear balanced and visually complete.